Uh, Good day everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to have a link for your WhatsApp profile. You are using WhatsApp and you want to share your link with many people so that they'll be able to access you via their phone directly. All you have to do is start by using the small letters and type HTTPS secured, that is what hypertransfer protocol, that's secured, and then use the colon, then the /2 twice, and then after that you tap WA and then type ME. Make sure you don't leave a space. As you can see, WhatsApp is already showing and it seems this is taking you to WhatsApp directly. So use another /, then you tap your country code. Make sure when you are typing your country code you don't include plus and you don't include 00 at the beginning, just the first number of your country code. As I am living in Nigeria, so my country code starts with 234. Check yours to confirm where your country code is, and then my personal number, then 073615616. all right, so that's all, and you just send this to anyone. That person will at once be able to access you via WhatsApp. I will try it here. I'll copy it, I'll go to my browser and then I'll try it and you will see by yourselves. Alright, so now let's paste it here and you will see it will pop up and it will show me directly, or it will take the person directly to my WhatsApp account, the profile of my WhatsApp. So open up directly to take the person to my profile, and he will be able to send me message, direct message, voice call, video call, or any other as you might think of. Second method I will show you is a method that involves almost the first method, but only for WhatsApp business. So the second method is only meant for WhatsApp business. You create 3 vertical dots, go to settings, and then after going to settings, click your profile picture and then you click share. With that, you'll be able to share your WhatsApp link to anyone. The third method involves you going to the tools. As you can see, we have tools here. So you go to the tools, and when you go to the tools, you click there's 3 vertical lines, click them, then you click short link. After clicking short link, you just tap here to copy, or if you like you can share it to any application you want on your phone. So this is it, my guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.